All right, so this is my first video introducing my like one of the projects, which is first Resume Sutra. So basically, uh, like before we dive into this project, like testing and all, I just want to clear that what it is all about and what it does. Okay, so first of all, Resume Sutra, as a line says, choose a resume format, then build it line by line. So basically, this is a website where I have added a lot of resume templates like Jake Resume Classic with logo, table education format, modern minimal, and then India campus inspired templates, which follows DTU, NSUT, IIT, all IITs, all NITs, triple IITs, ISC, IGTU, BITS, IM, IPU, CA, and DU style. So basically, this is a website where you can just simply, for example, if I want to make an ideally resume. So basically, what I have to do is I have to select the IIT, and then I just have to select the college. College is IIT Delhi. So here now, if you like just start to add some details. For example, if I write it, I am a mathematics and computing engineering student with strong interest in DSA and system design. And then, okay, not here, my bad. I have to write it in the summary. Okay, fine. So it is appearing here, right? So if I click on improve with AI, it would give me like the better result with ATS format. So it says results driven engineering student leveraging expertise in data structures and algorithms to drive innovative system design solutions. Proficient in applying mathematical modeling and computation techniques to optimize software systems and deliver high impact technology outcomes. So if I click on accept, it would just like add it here, and this AI feature is completely on the website. Like from like if you want to add some experience, you can write it here experience. You can write like anything. For example, if you have some job description and you want to make your resume according to the job description, you can just write the like a job description here, just copy paste it and analyze JD match, and it would like just give you a list of the keywords, of the phrases, of the like everything related to that role, which you must add in a resume to stand out in like in the internal or like HR shortlisting. Fine. So in the projects in like in education, a lot of things like we can add a lot of stuffs as well. Add experience. If I add experience, for example, with experience tab, okay, just add it. For example, if I added SDE and company Microsoft, and if I write a bullet point, I am building Java applications. So like in the first go, it looks like very very odd that I am just building Java applications. It would not sound that much of like perfect in resume text. So if I click on improve bullet, it would give me like in the Java application, it would give me like a good phrase to write it like like uh, like this. Design and develop scalable Java applications resulting in 30% increase in system efficiency by leveraging object-oriented programming principles and like agile methodologies. So of course you can like just change these values, and if you click on accept, it it would just automatically write it here, and with this you can just like make your resume. We have also a lot of like text, latex classic, professional serif, classic Garment, executive readable. After that, okay, so after this feature, we have this one more feature which is import from PDF. For example, if you have like like just like just let's go to Jake resume, and if you want if you don't want to make the resume from scratch, you can like just simply import your existing resume, and like just it would fill all the details for you. So for this test, I have just added this like sample resume for just reference. So I would be just adding it here, and it would just parse all the resume details which was in the resume which I have uploaded. Now, if you want to like just change something, for example, if your name is like for example, if I write my name, it would be Swayam Gupta. So you can just live edit it here. You can write your links, code courses profile, lead code profile links, and a lot of stuff. Like if you want to just improve the summary, we can just improve with AI. It would like this added this GPA everything. Okay, so like this is one of the feature, and then you can just download PDF, and it would just uh, generate the file, and you can just download the PDF. Fine. So jumping on to the next feature, which is called Pucho. Okay, so Pucho in Hindi means, sorry, Pucho is a Hindi word which means ask. Okay, so for example, if you are having an interview and you have submitted some A resume, for example, we call it just A resume, and you have some specific job description or some target role, for example, if you have a software engineer intern interview at, for example, Microsoft, you can just write it here, SDE intern at Microsoft, and your resume text. For example, if I just import that sample resume and I just click on generate simulation, it would just start to like ask you the random questions every time. Like first question is give your background in early childhood development and care of special needs children and adults. How do you think this skill will help in SD intern role? Which is of course a difficult question because SD is something different and this special needs development and care is different. So you can just write test my technical skills. You can just click it and it would generate like just five random questions which with answers as well. After this, we have another feature which is called outreach. So in this feature, we like if I'm a student and I have to search for jobs and all, we have to go to a lot of platforms like LinkedIn, or like just if we see some job post in for example Naukri.com, Glassdoor, and like well found and like a lot of websites, and we have to just like send a LinkedIn DM or a cold email to someone, to like the CEO, HR, or like someone in the company. We have to like just prompt chat GPT to like just write a perfect cold DM with respect to my resume and the job description or like the job post. So what I have done is I have custom prompted AI to just provide you with the complete LinkedIn DM and if, for example, direct email. So for example, for now, I just don't have a LinkedIn post, so I will just write uh, SDE intern at uh, for example Google. Okay, and like if I just import my PDF resume function sample, like just my like this is not related to SD internet Google, but like I'm just using it to show that it works well. So I click on generate outreach. It would generate subject with your name, like taken from like resume, and it would just generate like I would say short message. So this is like LinkedIn DM with pro tone. So the tone is, hi, I am John Smith from the University of Arkansas, Little Rock, with a background in early childhood development and elementary education. I came across a post about your SD intern at Google and was intrigued by the opportunity to apply my problem skills in a new context. My experience in managing databases and coordinating with healthcare professionals has given me a strong foundation in data analysis and communication. So I think like of course the resume is not related to this role, but I think you are getting my point. And also it gives like providing tips that bold your relevant skills, hyperlink your LinkedIn profile or a relevant document, or just use specific numbers like for example manage 25 volunteer workers. And if I change the tone to human, now you can just like see a difference. Like if I just check, okay, so like if you see like there is a lot of change here, Register and Google. Now if I just go to direct email and just for example if I click on startup and generate outreach, it would generate like building tech for social impact, and it would generate a complete uh, message. Of course you have to always read the letter before sending. Yes, like this is very important. Of course edit it, add some details, delete some details from the text and just send it to the recruiter, and like there are a lot of chances that your application might get considered. Fine. So after this we have like this feature called docs, where we have a like the complete guide to how to use Resume Sutra. Okay, so like this was all about Resume Sutra, and like it has a lot of like custom resume templates and all. So right now it has like 100 sorry 1712 people who have like visited this website and used the resume, and we have currently generated 109 resumes as of 1st May 12:50 a.m. All right, so thanks for like seeing my project demo, and I hope you have a good day, and like this is Swayam signing off.